Hey, we are looking at square roots today, and more specifically, square roots that don't have a pretty answer. Okay, so fastest square root review of your life. All right, square root of 9 is equal to 3 because 3 times 3 gives me 9. Square root of 100 is 10 because 10 times 10 gives me 100. So what the square root is asking is what number multiplied by itself gives me this number. Now, a lot of numbers don't have pretty square roots, right? They're like, if you plug this into your calculator, you're going to get a nasty decimal, okay? So what do? We don't want to just leave it like this. We want to try to simplify it down, okay? And let me show you what that means. So what we're going to do is we are going to figure out what numbers multiply to give me this number, okay? This is called prime factorization. And I'm going to do it here. If you need a more in-depth video, I'll link one in the corner. But what we're doing is thinking, what are two numbers that multiply to 63? Okay, I know 7 and 9 multiplied together give me 63. Okay, as we're doing this, you're going to circle any numbers that you get to that can't be broken down any further besides with a 1, and no offense 1, but in this case we don't care about that. So I could only break this into 1 times 7, right? And that doesn't matter for these purposes. So I'm going to circle that. That means it's a prime number is what that means. Now 9 can be broken down into 3 times 3, right? And 3 is a prime number. So I'm going to circle those as well. Okay. So basically 63 can be written as 3 times 3 times 7. This is the prime factorization, is the fancy math term we use for that, of this number. Okay. So then I see, if anything is being multiplied by itself, you've probably already caught it, that I can pull out. Okay. So I see that there are 2 3s. Okay. So I can pull a 3 out on the outside. So I have 3 square roots of 7 is my answer. Now, if you're like, why did you get to just turn that from 2 3s to 1? If that was confusing, think of it like this. Like I had 9 times 7 under there, which is this. I just multiplied the 3s to make it a 9, right? So if I have 9 times 7 under there, I'm like, oh, the square root of 9 is 3. So I pulled that 3 out. We're still left with 7 under there. Okay, same answer, just a different way of looking at it. If this way was like, what? Okay, I'm going to link a whole playlist of other, I want to say radical videos because that just sounds funny. And ever since I thought of that, I thought it was funny. But I will link a playlist with other square roots and all sorts of fun things if you need more. Thanks, bye.